Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to Bilal Sir School of Mathematics. Today we will learn another interesting topic, that is polynomials. If we will see this polynomial, it is the combination of two Greek words, this poly and nomial. Poly means many and nomial means terms. Or in other words, we can say that any expression containing many terms is called a polynomial. वो एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें दो या दो से ज़्यादा टर्म्स हो उसको कहेंगे हम पॉलिनोमियल. An expression containing many terms is called a polynomial. Now, depending upon the number of terms, a polynomial has been divided or classified into three categories. First one is monomial. Mono means one. That means an expression with only a single term is known as a monomial. And number second is binomial. Bi means two, nomial means terms. So an expression containing two terms is called a binomial. Likewise, if we talk about this one, trinomial, that means an expression with three terms. Is known as a trinomial. For example, if we have, say, 2x, it is a polynomial with only one term. Here we can write it as 2x plus 3. It is a polynomial with two terms. And if we have trinomial, we can write it as 2x square plus 3x plus 2. Now this contains how many terms? Three terms. So it is a trinomial depending upon the number of terms. A polynomial has been classified as monomial, binomial, trinomial. Now this was some basic concept about the polynomials. If we will see another definition of a polynomial को हम ऐसे भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं। an expression of the form p of x is equal to a0 plus a1 x raised power 1 plus a2 x square plus so on plus an x raised power n. An expression of this form is called a polynomial of degree n. An expression of this form p of x is a0, a1 x raised power 1, a2 x square plus 1, an x raised power n is called a polynomial of degree n, where a0, a1, so on, an are real numbers. Now here we have of degree n. Degree is defined as the highest power of the variable, So highest power of the variable here it is n. That is why it is known as the polynomial of degree n. Now, depending upon the degree, a polynomial has been classified as number 1, it is a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial because depending upon the degree, a polynomial has been classified as, first one is linear polynomial. Linear means single, or we can say one. That means a polynomial with degree 1. A polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. उसको कहेंगे हम what? Linear polynomial. That means उसमें जो इस वेरिएबल का पावर होता है वो क्या होता है? It is 1. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम इसकी अगर हम एग्जाम्पल लेंगे तो हम डिनोट कर सकते हैं इसको p of x is equal to say 2x plus 1 or simply 2x, or we can write it as 2x, or we can write it as x. So here you will see power of or degree of the polynomial is always 1. That means highest power of the variable is 1. A polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Likewise, a polynomial quadratic polynomial is simply a polynomial with degree 2. A polynomial with degree 2. is known as a quadratic polynomial. That means the highest power of this variable is what? It is 2. For example, we can write it as x square plus 2x plus 3, and we can denote it by p of x. It is here p of x, x square plus 2x plus 3. So what is the highest power of the variable? It is 2. That is why it is called a quadratic polynomial. Likewise, it is cubic polynomial. Now, a polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. A polynomial with degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial, and a polynomial with degree 3, or a polynomial having degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. That means the highest power of the variable will be what? It will be 3. It will be 3. For example, we can write a polynomial of variable. We can take here variable. We can take a, b, c, d, or whatever. P of t is t cube plus 3t square plus 2t plus 1. We can write this. So what is the highest power of the variable? It is 3. So this will be a polynomial with degree 3. So it will be a what? It will be a cubic polynomial. Likewise, we have another that is known as a biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial is a polynomial with degree 4. A polynomial with degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. That means the highest power the highest power of the variable will be what? 4. So a polynomial with degree 1, I will repeat it. A polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. A polynomial with degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. And a polynomial with degree 3 is known as a cubic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. This was all about the polynomials. I will repeat once again. कोई भी एक्सप्रेशन अगर आप इस वाले फॉर्म में पाओगे तो उसको कहेंगे हम पॉलिनोमियल. तो वट एवर मे बी द हाइएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल का जितना पावर होगा, हाइएस्ट पावर, उस पावर को कहेंगे हम, वो उसकी क्या है? इट इज़ द डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल. और हम इसको लिखते हैं ऐसे, डिग्री ऑफ पी ऑफ एक्स, उस पॉलिनोमियल की डिग्री ऑफ पी ऑफ एक्स. तो डिग्री इज द हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल. जो भी वेरिएबल का सबसे ज़्यादा पावर होगा उस एक्सप्रेशन में, उसको कहेंगे हम उसकी डिग्री. ठीक. तो बेस्ड अपॉन दिस डिग्री पॉलिनोमियल्स को क्लासिफाई किया गया है इनटू दीज कैटेगरीज. इनमें से 4 हमने ली है. फर्स्ट वन इज, जो पहली कैटेगरी हमने ली, दैट इज लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल वो पॉलिनोमियल है जिसकी डिग्री क्या है? 1 है. और दूसरा जो है दैट इज क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल वो पॉलिनोमियल है जिसकी डिग्री व्हाट है? कितनी है? 2 है. इसकी डिग्री 2 है. और क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल वो है जिसकी डिग्री इज 3. लाइकवाइज जो बाइक्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है उसकी डिग्री इज 4, ए पॉलिनोमियल विद डिग्री 4, वो पॉलिनोमियल जिसका हाईएस्ट पावर जो वेरिएबल का है वो कितना होगा, वो होगा 4। तो उस वाले पॉलिनोमियल को कहेंगे हम बाइक्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल। This was something about the definition of a polynomial and its types. In the coming lecture, we will discuss about the zeros and coefficients, relation between them, how to find zeros. तो उस वाली वीडियो को देखने के लिए, फ्री में देखने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सब्सक्राइब बिलाल सर स्कूल ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स, सो दैट कि हर कोई बच्चा इसका फ़ायदा उठा सके। टिल देन हैव अ गुड टाइम, थैंक यू।